Hello, this is Simeonis, and I'm part of the group Robotomy. And our title is Trashformers Swim Out, where we help the sea um, get rid of waste, or as much waste as possible. So I have the algorithm for the ADMD, which is also known as the Aerial Detection and Monitoring Drone, which is powered by a remote. It has a 9-volt battery, comes with a brake board. These 4 DC motors play as the rotary blades on the drone, and all four motors are connected to both L29 3Ds. I have 2 of them because there's 4 motors, and I thought it would work best to balance out the power sources. So I have outputs for this motor connected here, this motor connected here, this one here, and so on. We have an IR sensor for a remote, and the inputs are as follows. So we have 5 right here, we have 3 right here, then we have 7 for this one, and we have 6 for this one. So I will show you it in action. This is my code. Plug it in. It works. And then if I were to hit, let's say, 5. No, not 5. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I were to hit 4, it moves left. And then if I were to hit the middle, which is 5, it goes forward. And then if I were to hit 9, this in this instance plays as it going backwards, and so forth. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great night. And this is our aerial drone and detection, our aerial drone detection and monitoring, our aerial detection and monitoring drone. Thank you. Bye-bye.